What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm in Dalry. Let's see what's new for the week. We have this whole new display that says treat yourself. And these are the colors. I like the yellow. The white one is called Pillow. We have a couple metallics. We also have some nail tips, coffin, we have short square, glue not included. The yellow is so pretty. I like the green too. It's so nice today, you guys. It's like 72 or 75. Super nice. Oh, these are new this week. The cute little sand castle molds. We have reddish pink, yellow, and blue. And then finally another location that has these. The only other store I've seen these in is the Wisconsin location. But now they're here. The little Orby balls. We have green, orange, clear, yellow. What else? Blue, and a really nice orange. Yes, it is nice today. I'm so glad I didn't wear my sweatshirt. Sour Dudes, Sour Straws. Sweet Tart Jelly Beans. Warheads, Ooze, Chew Sticks, 12 in a bag. You guys always want me to come over here. Glitter patches. I think those are new. The glue guns are back. I think these stickers are new. Momoko stickers, shaker stickers. We have brand new shaker stickers. The brand is Momoko. We also have the donuts. Oh, these are so cute. The little galaxy ones. Oh, I love these. Look at the little avocados. They have the little iridescent like confetti in them. Love that sound. Let's shake one. The reed diffusers are back. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried these. We have Pink Amber Poppy, Beachy Keen, Hawaiian Salt and Citrus, Raspberry Prosecco, Sunkiss Eucalyptus, and Wild Apple and Ashwood. Those are back. Wow, we have a huge section of vinyl paper, glitter paper. All of these different papers are for Crickets. And then this location always has a ton of yarn, a ton. We have the Just Yarn brand, we have Just Active, we have, the brand is actually Premier. So Premier Just Yarn, Premier Just Active. This bright blue is pretty. I like this. We also have the super thick. It kind of reminds me of like an embroidery thread, but thicker. We also have tweed. We have just cotton, yellows, purples, a variety of grays. kind of a greenish blue. We have some browns, some tans, whites, terracotta, pink, lots of colors. That's for you, Donna, if you are listening. I like to describe things to you so you can enjoy the video as well. And then over here we have tons of stickers. We have some pretty sort of raised metallic rose stickers, jeweled stickers that look very metallic, but then they have like bright pink, blue, green, and purple stones in them. Keys, crosses, hearts. Ooh, the clear stamps are here, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, the clear stamps are here. I wonder if they're gonna put out the acrylic stamp blocks. Do you guys remember when they used to be in a smaller package? Now it's in a much bigger package. So this one says travel. We have ice cream cones, scubas, duckies, beach balls, watermelon, stuff like that. And then we have one that says kiss, love, I love you, a vase with a heart on it, a bunch of hearts, hearts in a jar, the word love. And then we also have one that is very feathery with dream catchers that says be brave and catch your dreams. These are definitely new. And I have a bunch of these from past years in my craft bin that I don't know if I've ever even used them. But hey, I'm gonna use them one day, I promise. Says every hoarder. I'm not a hoarder though, says every hoarder. We also have some very masculine looking leather stickers, ties, and I don't know, like it says, what does that say? It says basil, but it looks like a liquor bottle. Patches, briefcases, those are definitely new. They look very leather to me. There's just so many nice stickers over here. Wow. Hot air balloons. They look very steampunk. And their colors. We have all sorts of stickers I've never seen. Travel stickers, handles and luggage straps, fountain pens and old-fashioned compasses, globes, the stacked trunks for traveling. We also have pots, puffy stickers. How would you guys describe these? I would probably say like sort of Roman styled outside pots meant for like big palms and pretty plants. We have another one going kind of with a lot of these themes that we've been seeing. A sewing machine, a phone, an old camera, a light bulb. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these stickers. And there's many, many more. Wow, you guys. I think it's time already to head to another aisle. So join me in my very next video, you guys. We are gonna head down the makeup aisle, and what am I seeing? You guys have to come back to my very next video because I just spotted even more brand new 3D faux mink lashes by Ayani. Everything is very like jungle themed and tropical. I cannot wait to look at these with you guys. So definitely join me in my very next video and we will take a peek at the brand new collection from Ayani. But all right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. All right, you guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.